Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. Yes, children, we were doing the chapter clothes we wear. Today, we will do question time, mean exercise of the lesson. The first, there is a tick correct option. We wear cotton clothes in summer, winter, rainy season. When you will wear cotton cloth in summer, right? Woolen clothes keep our body cool, warm, dry. Warm. Right. One I tell you like this you will do. Okay. Second, we get cotton from cotton plant, sheep, silkworm. We get from cotton plant. Who weaves cloth on a loom? Farmer, shepherd, weaver. Who is a weaver. Okay. Now, why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. I will send you the answer on a paper. Okay. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? Cotton clothes keep our body cool. Cotton clothes keep our body cool. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Woolen clothes keep our body warm. Right? What do we wear when we go out in a raincoat? We wear raincoat. Children, these sentence answer you will write in sentences. Okay. Now next is you write yes or no. We wear clothes to cover our body. Yes. So you will write here yes. Right. Woolen clothes absorb sweat easily. It is yes or no? No. You will write here no. Raincoats keep us dry. Yes. It is right. We wear uniform when we go to our school. Yes. जब आप स्कूल जाते हैं then you wear uniform. The sheep feeds on the mulberry leaves. It is right or wrong? No. The silkworm feed on the mulberry leaves. Now next exercise. Name the 3 clothes we make from these fibers. What are the 3 clothes? Cottons. What 3 clothes made from cotton? Shirt, pant and kurta, you can say kurta. Right? Second is wool. Cap, sweater and scarf. Silks, sari and suit and dupatta. These 3 things made from what? These fiber. Cotton, I tell you again, shirt, pant, kurta, that is cap, sweater and coat, and next sari, suit and dupatta. Children, you write these answers here. Question answer I will send you. Then you write in your EVS notebook. That is, the boy is feeling very cold. Help the boy to find his winter clothes. तो आपको इस boys को those are winter clothes. Winter clothes के पास आपको इसको वे शो करना है. With the pencil you do it. हाँ. Now what is wrong in these pictures? Discuss and have fun. What is which season here? That is winter season, and the child is standing in vest and shorts. Okay, so it is wrong. He should wear what? Woolen clothes. Who is this? He is a doctor. Doctor is catching a bat? No, it is wrong. Doctor should have a stethoscope. Right? And now what is? He is a astronaut. Astronaut के पास क्या होना चाहिए, spaceship, not a umbrella. Okay children, that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.